Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind of Life. Welcome to the channel. I want to talk about my cars real quick, and most importantly, my t-shirt right here. Just one more car, promise. Now that's dedicated to the wife because I always buy cars, and sometimes I don't tell her, but today I did. I actually got a new car coming, but before I show you guys and talk about that, I want to talk about my Skylines. Got some updates on these guys. So you got the R34 GTR front end coming along very nicely. All new hardware and bolts, that's why it's been delayed. So I got all new items straight from the dealership, Nissan dealer, including the crash bar, front mount, everything is original here. And then the interior itself, let me show you guys what's going on with this thing. That's right, I got the V-Spec style seats that are going in as well. More to come on that. But I mean, look at the front end, guys. I'm still waiting on my headlights, refinishing the headlights. I got the front OEM bumper, the lip, everything you can think of, and the windshield. Yes, I got my hands on a front windshield for this. Nothing wrong with it, but I just want to refresh everything. So yeah, everything's going to be replaced out, including all the trims. Then I got the R33 GTR just sitting there. It's been sitting there for a couple of weeks, waiting on parts to arrive. Now, the crank angle sensor is bad on this, so that's what I'm waiting on. Everything's on back order, which is a shame, because it takes forever. And then this car right here, this is my daily. I feel like I got these two expensive cars that just sit here doing nothing, a lot of money tied up into it, and this is what I'm driving every day. So let's check out the new daily. Alright, so the ultimate daily right here. Needed something reliable. Can't go wrong with the Toyota Lexus. You excited, little man? Huh? You excited?
Yeah, that's so cool. Let's go inside.
You wanna go inside it? Go ahead, open it up.
Wow.
Oh yeah, got the right interior on this. Looks good.
New one.
Yeah. Check out the headlights. The headlights are pretty cool on this thing.
Wow.